Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete the images from your ChatGPT library step by step. If you have generated the images and now you want to remove them from your library or clear your history, the process is very simple. So here is how you can do it. First of all, you need to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to search for chatgpt.com. When you are here on ChatGPT, make sure that you log in into that particular account of yours in which you want to basically delete the images. Now, images generated in ChatGPT are usually stored inside the conversation where they were created. So here click on the ChatGPT icon over here on the top left hand corner of the screen. Now, among the given chats that you have made with ChatGPT, you just have to look for that particular section in which it has basically generated the image for you. So after selecting that particular chat, you just have to click on the three dots right next to that chat. After selecting it, you will see the last option of delete. So when you click on the option of delete, it will ask for the confirmation. So here you can click on the option of delete, and that particular conversation in which you have basically generated the images will be deleted. So once you delete the chat, it will be removed from your library and will no longer appear in your history. So you can look through your conversations list in order to confirm that the chat containing the images has been removed. And that's how you can basically delete the images from your ChatGPT library step by step. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just simply drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.